Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Let's get this mini barber tutorial started ASAP. A slap. Before the half guard, I ended up going first with the one, like half an inch up. But yeah, make sure to use the edges for the half guard. Right here I have my 1.5 guard and I'm playing with the lever open and close, and if you still can't blend the 2 and the 1, go back to the 1 and play with the lever a bit and make sure to flick out when you're cutting the hair. Using my Wahl trimmer, I'm doing the first guideline right here and I'm balding it up nicely. Don't forget to do that, guys. Decided to go a little higher with the first guideline, you know, give it that little high taper look. Got my lever all the way open. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go up about half an inch. Then after that, to erase the middle line, I'm gonna put my lever halfway. Then after that, I'm gonna put my lever all the way closed and clean it up. Slapping my number 2 guard, and what I'm doing here is digging down the chunk of hair so it could be easier for me to fade it. Using my number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, I'm going about half an inch up, and then after that I'm gonna put my lever halfway and I'm gonna erase that middle line. Then after that I'm gonna put my lever closed and I'm gonna try to blend it as much as possible. Now guys, let's create some magic with the half guard. You already know to use the edges on these, and it's the most important part to use the edges, and the most important part when blending, because this makes the taper or fade happen all the time. Slap it on the half guard, and to erase that line I basically use the edges and with the flick out motion, and I try not to go all the way up, but as you can see I'm flicking out and I'm opening and closing with my lever, which helps. Slap my number 1 guard, and right here I'm just using the corners of the blade, and I'm just doing this to make the taper look more cleaner. Had to put the camera down to stretch the skin, you know, to make the taper look cleaner. Make sure to comb down the client's hair, guys. That makes the lineup look more clean and more fresh. And take your time with this because this is the most important part. And you could have the cleanest fade and the cleanest taper, but if your lineup is trash, then the whole haircut is trash. Can't see from here, guys, but I'm using my razor blade to make the lineup as sharp as possible, and I'm also using the edges of the blade, which helps a lot. Always guys, look at your guys' work and don't be afraid to go back and fix something. That's what I'm doing right here. I'm just making the taper as clean as possible, and that's what I'm gonna do to both sides. Hit the like button, guys, if you know how much pain this client's in right now. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other guys should do next, and let me know what you guys think of this cut right here.